I always get told all the time that I have mermaid hair, or that I need to do some relatively level of badass makeup after I do my hair freshly, which my hair is now freshly done, so I figured, why not do it, since I threw my hair in a braid today. So now it's still kind of wavy, like, you know, it normally should be. Let me see, we're still gonna take a mix of the Wet n Wild Incognito concealer. This is the lightest shade and the third darkest shade. And what I do is I throw them on my face and I just mix them, just because, you know, it's a little easier for my foundation to sit on when I don't have primer on, because this is not going to be an extremely long wear look. I mean, if you'd like this to last longer, if you go to a party, all that stuff like that, you can definitely throw some long wear primer and foundation on. We're gonna throw our foundation on, probably only about to up here. Shade 112, which honestly is probably too light for me now. I never set my foundation before I do my brows, just because it helps hold on to the color. The next closest color I have to my eyebrows is actually this color Peacock right here. It's not dark enough to actually fit in with my hair color, but it's close enough and it works for now. Brightly colored eyeshadow, or if I'm just doing anything involving my eyeballs, Maybelline Color Tattoo. This is literally the best thing I've ever used for my eyes. This is a white base. This is kind of like a shimmery white base, but it will show up like anything will show up on it, which is super nice. So I don't have to worry, and I don't have to worry about it, you know, fading off my face after a half an hour. We're gonna use the Belle Jordan palette, because since yellow is such a strange color, we are gonna take this color called 1706. This is like a transitional color. We're putting that in our crease. This is light enough, it's not gonna really show up, but it's gonna help things blend. Take this yellow, it's called Marigold. Alright, this is from the Spectrum palette. It's Rave. I don't know if it'll actually show up, so we'll see. Glow Hello Halo. This is I just got it all over my pants. So what I'm gonna do is kind of mix it with this purpley one. The only thing I hate is the way this thing smells. Right. So we're gonna take this color named Luna, and it's just gonna go right on top. I just use my finger. It's literally so much easier, like for myself. We're gonna take a stippling brush and do this all like around the edges here. Take the lighter purple. We're gonna try and go around the top of this, and then we'll get a little darker and see how this goes. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try to add some scales. I have a lime crime lipstick that I'm probably going to use here. It is called Peacock. I think this is our finished look. I've never actually gotten to put gems on my face before, so this has been an exciting experience. If you guys would like to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube is @TheRejectQueen. I will see you in the next stream.